Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning and slightly buffing each nail so stickers will adhere. This removes oils and creates a micro-rough surface. Once done, push cuticles back and shape the free edge so stickers sit flat. Apply a thin, even gel base coat. Too thick causes lifting, then cure under an LED lamp for the recommended time. This gives you a tacky but stable foundation. Make sure the layer is not fully glossy, because a little tack helps the sticker bond. You'll position each sticker deliberately. Hold it over the nail to preview placement and align with the cuticle line. Once ready, use tweezers to place it and a silicone or orange stick to press from center outward, squeezing out trapped air. This prevents lifting later. If the sticker overlaps the free edge, trim the excess with small scissors, then gently file the edge to seal. Make sure edges are smooth so the top coat adheres evenly and reduces peeling risk. You finish by applying a thin gel top coat that fully covers sticker edges and the nail surface so everything bonds into one layer. Avoid heavy pooling near the cuticle. Cure for the lamp's full time, usually 60 seconds, then check the surface and wipe any tacky inhibition layer if present. If a sticker lifts, gently lift the edge, remove oils, apply a tiny amount of base or thin gel under the lift, press down, and reseal with top coat. This commonly repairs lifting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.